Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Managing your sales tax settings correctly is crucial for keeping your business finances accurate and organized. By following these steps, you'll have full control over how sales tax is applied to your transactions. To start, head over to QuickBooks by visiting the homepage and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which will serve as your main hub while we go through these steps. Next, focus on the left-hand menu and click on Sales Tax. This will take you to the Sales Tax Center, where you can manage all your tax rates, volumes, and other essential details. It's important to keep this area organized, especially if your business deals with multiple tax jurisdictions. Once in the Sales Tax section, click on Tax Settings. This page allows you to customize how sales tax is applied within QuickBooks. You'll find various settings from adjusting tax rates to selecting tax agencies, giving you complete control over your sales tax process. Now, locate the option to turn off sales tax. This is useful if your business operations change or if certain sales aren't subject to tax. Clicking this link will disable automatic sales tax calculation on your transactions. Make sure to proceed carefully to avoid any unintended discrepancies. Turning off sales tax is simple, but it's important to consider how this might impact your overall accounting. If you're unsure, consulting with an accountant or financial advisor can provide extra guidance. With these steps, you've successfully managed and customized your sales tax settings in QuickBooks. Staying on top of your tax settings helps save time and prevents errors during tax reporting periods. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.